All right, good afternoon, guys. Today we're at the Scion XB doing an idle relearn, having issues with the car idling over 1,000 RPMs. So thought today I'll give you guys a little quick tip on this fancy little tool right here. It's called a battery terminal wrench. So apparently, as many of you guys know, that when using a socket wrench or any kind of long wrench, you will always have a risk of arcing your battery. As you can see here, even if you're positive and your wrench gets in contact with the battery bracket here, it will cause an arc. So it's pretty dangerous. So this tool is pretty handy. It comes with a vinyl shockproof handle, so you won't accidentally arc and shock yourself if you're ever taking out the battery. So as you can see in the following sets of videos,
Without terminals installed, the lead on the post just melts away.
Alright, so this tool is really cheap. It's under $5 and they sell it at Harbor Freight. As you may recognize, the Pittsburgh brand. They do have these on Amazon. It's definitely safer than using a wrench, especially a long socket wrench, ratchet wrench or whatever. So if you're ever paranoid about accidentally arcing your battery, this is a good tool to have. So yeah, check it out. I have the link in my description below. Thank you guys for watching.